Hi, this is Sylvia. I'm going to do a quick see inside the brand new Abeka 3rd grade curriculum. So I'm just going to show you guys what goes on inside. I have them grouped into language, arithmetic, science, and history. So I'll start with language first. And I'm a big Abeka fan. I used it when I was homeschooled as a child. So language comes with the language book. You can also buy reading comprehension skill sheets and the spelling and poetry. They also have a handwriting book, which I do not have. It's a bit advanced, so we are using the 2nd grade handwriting book this year. So the language 3 is a grammar and writing. Each page, they have a page per day that they would do one side. Although for 2nd grade, my daughter did both sides, and she did fine. She just finished her 2nd grade a lot faster. But it is a great curriculum. It's very comprehensive. They teach something on the top, and then they go through and practice it for the next couple of days or day or so. So, yeah, very nice language. We love Abeka language. So language 3. Now they also have a spelling and poetry where they work on a list of spelling words each week. And also they give activities to do for each of these spelling lists. Now in the back, they also have some, let me show you. Again, it's very bright and colorful. They have some poems. A little hard to keep it open there. But some little poems for them to read. 2nd grade had the spelling lists on separate pieces of paper too, so you could pull it out and they could work on those. I'd hang them up and we could work on them for the week. Now reading comprehension, this is something a little different. These have a story on one side, and then the other side it has questions, comprehension questions, little activities. They even have poetry in here too. So, here's one, The Long Journey. Then they go through and answer some questions about it, numbering the events, how the people felt. So they have nature, stories, and questions. Just a very nice book. So this is what we're going to use for phonics for 3rd grade, as well as the handwriting book for 2nd grade. Here's the arithmetic book. She did do arithmetic 2 and loved it. Again, it's bright and colorful. They have teaching sections at the top and then practice down here. So this is the beginning of the book. Nice and easy. And then going through, definitely gets more difficult. They work on all sorts of things from time, temperatures, going all the way up to the 100 millions. So their math is very comprehensive. For each day you would do front and back. So it's quite a bit of math, but I feel like she's strengthened her math skills this year by doing math 2. So that's arithmetic 3, brand new. Here is, they have Exploring God's World, Health, Safety, and Manners, and then they also have this little notebook that goes with the science. It's an animal notebook. It's definitely thicker than the 2nd grade material, but again, very colorful and lots of pictures. Very easy to understand and comprehend. Hold on, sweetie, I'm doing a review real quick. Oh, I have one that got sand in her eye out there. I'm gonna have to hurry this up. Very nice, comprehensive. It goes through not just one topic, but here you can see it has Earth's atmosphere, Earth's surface, plant world, human body, animal kingdom, solar system, animal habitats. Animal notebook is great. It's basically in the back, they're supposed to cut out different animals, and I think they're supposed to glue them in there. It looks really cute, though. My daughter loves animals, so she's gonna really enjoy this book here, writing reports and stuff. And then a nice little health, safety, and manners book, which is nice just because I'm an ER nurse, so I like talking about safety with my kids. And this doesn't have as many activities, but it does, have some in here. Circle things, list some of your favorite foods. So, and finally, we'll go through the history real quick too. The American Heritage. Again, this is a lot thicker than the 2nd grade history was. and it's an American history. Now my daughter, for the second grade one, I was having her read it, and then I would go through and help her with some of the questions, but definitely a little bit more difficult than the second grade, but I think she's becoming a better reader and should do fine with reading this. So, you know, the Mayflower, I've got vocabulary words. It's nice because they have a lot of pictures in here too. And again, we tried doing the good and the beautiful. I felt like a lot of that was above her head. This looks like she should hopefully be able to understand it better. The second grade one was great. So it goes all through American history. Now the other nice thing about this, and they do have like comprehension check questions, things like that. They have a cute little map skills book, which is great. So you can go through and do this with your kids too, learning different parts of the United States. I'll show you this way. So yeah, it should really help her with knowing where her states are. So this is another year of American history. They will start doing world history in a few years, although I think we might be switching to master books in a few years. We're going to see what happens. But so far, third grade, I think we're going to do the Abeka books because they worked really well this past year for us. So hopefully you enjoyed this review. Have a great day.